21 days. Oh shit. You got me there.
Welcome again everybody to Jamaica's last beach, and on today's video we're going to be doing a bit of cooking. Yeah, we're do some rabbit with some common fowl in a one pot. Yeah, rabbit and common fowl stew, Jamaican style. What you're looking at right now is just me rinsing off this rabbit meat with some vinegar, and then afterwards with some fresh water. Next up, we get some fresh vegetable ready. So we just cut them up and we're going to add them to the rabbit meat along with some meat seasoning, some salt, and a little bit of browning as well.
Can you take this up?
No, it's still rabbit. Good old rabbit stew, you know.
Rabbit stew.
After you add the browning, you go ahead and get your hands in there. You make sure all this is combined properly. So you rub it in good. After which you can go ahead and cover it with a piece of file paper or a plastic bag. Alright, so him next. Rabbit done get butcher already. One common fowl next. So please remember to hit the subscribe button if you are new to Jamaica's last beach. Yo, my cousin, happy birthday, sir.
Yes, sir.
Live music for your birthday. You mean, man, bless, man. Alright. Up next, we have the common fowl. Now, the common fowl is basically the same procedure. Get it all cut up, rinse it with some vinegar, rinse it again with some fresh water, add the salt, the meat seasoning or chicken seasoning, along with the fresh vegetable. Get a little browning in there and you mix it thoroughly with your hands. Make sure so everything combined properly. So while the meat was marinating, we went ahead and did a fish head soup. So this is a grouper head basically, and some bonita as well. And this is just me finishing up, putting a scotch bonnet, bringing up the flavor, just adding the finishing touches before we actually started serving the soup. And this is not just a cooking video. This is actually a cookout. So you know with cookout you have people who are always going to be around. The rum already start drinking and all of that. So people are having fun, people have vibes. That is the finishing touches.
Yeah.
Right, man.
I know we are seasoning up. Taste part, you know. Get it good and nice.
Right, man. And I'm a backyard. So, you know, a lot of friends, family, and you know, just a whole of vibe.
Yeah, we have Breadfruit, man. Yeah, we have a couple of men. We have a pot going on. No problem, doctor there. No, we don't know him cup. Breadfruit, man, no cup in hand.
Right, good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I eat this, yeah. Straight up.
Yeah, I'm going to for a rum cup.
Yeah, big up Duppy, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah, we taste some of this right now.
road base. Big up to yourself. The
Place is the fullest, man, you there. Right in your yard.
Alright, so now we're actually about to start cooking the rabbit and common fowl stew. So we're just heating up the frying pan right now. Afterwards, when it's hot enough, we go ahead and add the meat. Make sure you have a nice fire going. And we're just going to put back the cover on this. Don't add any water to it as yet. Add the water after maybe another 20 minutes or so. You want to give it a chance to cook in its own juices before you actually add the water. This way, you get the full flavor out of it. Yo! And truthfully, these meats are on the hard side, so you need to give it time to cook properly. But after maybe an hour, hour and a half of constant heat, it will be ready and it will be falling off the bone.
See out himself in the house, live and live in colors.
For a good man. You do that when you pot open. Yeah man, so you know say it's fresh, you know? Yes, and being that is a cookout, you know we have multiple dishes. So this is some lobster I'm just get ready to deal with now.
This is Dr. Fish with the skin on it. Yeah. You don't have to take the scale off. It's very cheap.
Now.
Where's the old lobby?
You have bought for food from day, what happened now?
One more rabbit.
Let me look at this. Alright, so lobster,
That's one rabbit.
rabbit, common fowl, roast breadfruit. Where's them?
One more rabbit. 3 yard way.
Happy birthday, my cousin. More strength and blessing every time. Alright, man.
Up here.
Alright, man. See there?
Yeah.
Lobster on the grill now.
And the grill in it.
Stop at this.
Oh shit. You got me there. You knew what you want.
Alright, man. Yes, and at this point we are about to add a must have to any cookout, some jerk chicken. See here.
Yeah, Pitney. Get us some come along. And I do that right.
Take the blood down when I eat that boy. And as you can see here, the jerk chicken is ready to be served. And we are about to put on some more lobsters on the grill.
But yeah, my mic and I'm going on back then. That's right. I'm not the girl there. You know, sir, right
And this, my people, is how we ended the day. Having lobster on the grill with some butter. This day was a good one. One in which we ate a lot. We drank even more. We had live reggae music. We had people falling over drunk. But that is just how we do it on Jamaica's last beach. And for more authentic Jamaican vibes, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And keep watching, keep sharing, and bless up.